Hello guys. Welcome to another video. Today's showcase is Rise of the Beast, Optimus Prime. Well, enough talking. Let's get to the showcase. I'm going to show the test head. It was supposed to be the head. I was lazy, so it got scrapped. It has two emotions, angry and calm. Oh, and the mask. The mask can move up and down. So would you guys like it as the head? Or do you guys prefer the one on Prime? Speaking of which, there he is. It is better than my 2023 Prime. Let's test drive. Now that's done, let's transform. The robot mode can walk too. The arm cannon. The head on Prime is different compared to the scrapped head. The Energon blade. Transform back into truck mode. Driving time. Don't mind the legs. I'm impressed with the robot mode. Double weapons. That's all for the video. See you guys next time.